So this is our hotel, Itc Aurangabad. We are here to visit Baba Bholenath, Krishneshwarji. Jai Ganpati Bappa. And our room is 109. Okay, so this is our room. Here is the washroom. I'm gonna show what's in there. Well, yeah, that is the washroom, by the way. So, hey, just a minute. Okay, so that was room service. Here is all of this. Here is our stroller, and that's me as usual. Hi. And there is Mummy. Hey, Mummy. कैसा लगा ITC? And हाँ, वो है ना मम्मी, फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर वो होता है हर रूम में. This is our room, and the room view is, at the moment it's night time, so you don't really see anything, but in the morning maybe. So yep, this is what it is.